Hi, I'm Caroline Perez. As you can see, we're in Hurricane Sandy. There is no school today or tomorrow. And as you can see, this wind is really, really strong.
Thank you, Caroline. Now on to important news. Today, there was a brave and courageous man who came to work today and fought off the Sandy storm. Now tell me.
Yes, well, we are here because we're going to a lot of responsibility, so we are here to serve all the beautiful customers here. This is what it's all about.
How did you get here through this terrible storm?
I walk.
A brave soul, such a brave soul. He is an inspiration to all people.
What a beautiful story. As you can see, in Hurricane Sandy, the streets are empty.
More tragic news. The impact that Sandy the hurricane has made. People on the streets been dragged out of their house with no food, no water, and they are hyperventilating. They could be dying. Let's take a look. This storm has been causing so much tragedy and fatality. And now, I think that's it for right now. That's all the news for right now. Tune in later.
Okay, action.
Hello, and recording that again. Thank you, Caroline. Now on to important news. Today, there was a man that took the break.
Go.
That's it for right now, but tune in.